Hey everyone, Chris here from GamerTech, and in this guide I'll show you how to enable TPM on your MSI motherboard, an essential step for Windows 11. So first, let's just talk about why TPM matters. TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module. It keeps your login, BitLocker, and system encryption keys safe. Windows 11 requires TPM 2.0 to boot securely, and the good news is MSI boards already have it built in. So the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and restart our computer. Once your computer is booting back up, go ahead and spam the delete key until you're in the BIOS. By default, you should be in easy mode, so just press F7 to go to the advanced tab. In advanced mode, head to the settings and click the security tab. Inside, look for Trusted Computing or Security Device Support. Turn Security Device Support to Enabled. If you're using Intel, that's PTT. If you're on AMD, just enable fTPM. Once you've made all these changes, go ahead and press F10 to save and exit. Afterwards, your PC will just reboot by itself and go into Windows. Once Windows loads, press the Windows plus R key. Type tpm.msc and you should see that TPM is ready for use. If you don't see TPM is ready for use, or you just don't see that feature at all in your BIOS, do a BIOS update. That usually fixes this problem. And that's it. That's how you enable TPM on your MSI motherboard. For more tutorials like this, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and check out some of our BIOS update videos in case you missed it or in case you want to update your BIOS. This is Chris from GamerTech, and I'll see you in the next one.